Exercise 3.2 will be discussed in this part. The concepts and exercise 3.1 are already discussed in previous part. You can check the link in description box. So let's start. Write the answer of each of the following questions. First question is, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? कार्टीजन प्लेन पे वी हैव टू लाइन, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल होती है और एक वर्टिकल लाइन. किसी भी पॉइंट की लोकेशन के लिए वी नीड दीज टू लाइन, सो वी हैव टू नेम देम द एक्स एक्सिस एंड द वाई एक्सिस रिस्पेक्टिवली. जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्स एक्सिस एंड द वर्टिकल लाइन इज वाई एक्सिस. Second question, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? When these two lines intersect at one point, वो कार्टेशियन प्लेन को चार पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देती है. That are called quadrants. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. We have to name that point जहाँ पे x axis and y axis intersect करती हैं. That is called the origin. Question number 2. See figure 3.14 and write the following. This is the Cartesian plane and we have to question. See figure 3.14 and write the following. This is figure 3.14 and we have to answer some questions. The coordinates of B. So the point B is marked in the figure like this. Coordinates, first of all we'll write x coordinate. This is -5 and the y coordinate is 2. So we can answer this. -5, 2. Coordinates of C. Here the C point is. X coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is -5. In this way. 5 minus 5. The point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. It will lie in third quadrant. Third quadrant में -3 is here for x-axis and -5 is here. They both meet at point E. So E is the answer. Fourth is the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. X हमारा coordinate positive है and y coordinate is negative. Means fourth quadrant. 2 is here, -4 is here. They both meet at point G. So G is the answer. Fifth is the axis of point D. Here we have point D. हम इसके पहले coordinates लिख लेते हैं. 6, 2 are the coordinates and the abscissa means x coordinate is 6. Sixth part is the ordinate of point H. First of all we have to write the coordinates. X coordinate is -5 and y is -3. So उसका ordinate क्या होगा? -3. In this way. The coordinates of the point L. Here we are having L on y axis. So उसका x coordinate तो होगा 0 and y coordinate will be 5. 0, 5. The coordinates of point M. M is there on x-axis. So x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is 0. So -3, 0. So this is all about this exercise. If you have any problem in any part, you can ask your queries in comment section below.